Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. Welcome to our July new products video. First new product are these door panels. These are for Carpenter Industries down in North Carolina. These are for the 73 to 79 Ford pickup, 78.9 Bronco. They made them in black, blue, and red. Well, they discontinued the blue and the red. We still can get them in black, but they made these white ones here, which are highly paintable. You can paint them any color you want. Come in a pair. These are made in the original Ford tooling. All you have to do is go down to your local auto parts paint supplier, get some Sims paint, that's SEM paint, spray them on any color you want. Brand new for the 73 to 79 Ford pickup, 78.9 Bronco. And our next new product are these tailgate letters. These fit the 78, 79 Ford F-Series pickup. Ford changed the lettering from the tailgate from 77, they changed it in 78, so we actually have the correct letters now. We come in black and white, vinyl cut, ready to be applied for the 78, 79 F-Series rear tailgate. And our next new products for the 2008 2016 Ford Super Duty pickup. It's this bed patch panel. You know, those trucks are rusting now, and if you have small holes or holes, this is the ticket for you. Comes in a 14 by 36 inch piece, so if you have small holes, you can trim them, cut them in, weld them in place, makes nice patches. Heavy duty steel for the 2008 to 2016 Ford Super Duty pickup. Here at the Graveyard, we only sell the Dana U-joints, which are the best in the market. So before we have had aftermarket drive shaft components, so we've added the complete line of Dana drive shaft components. We have the high quality Dana U-joints. Now we also have the H yokes for the Broncos, for the upper CV. We have the CV heads, and we also have the slip yokes. This covers a wide range of products, from the Bronco 2, which is 1210, to the early Bronco, which is 1310. Then you get your bigger Broncos, which is 1330. We also have 1350 for the 3/4 tons, and if you're really heavy duty, we have 1410. We offer a complete selection right online. If you can't find it, just give us a call, we can help you. Brand new, complete line of Dana drivetrain products. For our July web truck of the month, we have Brandy's 76 Bronco, which makes this special. He drives this every single day. Thank you for your support. Hope to see you again next month.
It's an everyday driver. I drive it every day. The truck was in good shape when I first bought it. I've had it about 10 years now. 302 C4. It was a 76 model, so it had power steering, power disc brakes. Body was pretty straight and solid. It was uncut. I cut it. I did the Explorer conversion in 2011. Left the C4 in it for a couple years and then put the 4R70W in it.
You like the overdrive?
Love it. Still needs change the gearing in it. It's still got 350 gears in it. It's got 33 1050 tires on it. It's got a Bronco Graveyard front springs, 2.5 inch lift and rear, soft ride. Other than that, it's pretty much stock, except I put the Explorer stripes on the hood. I got Protofab front and rear bumpers. Explorer seats in it. Okay. 76 Explorer seats, Explorer pattern. Tires are 33 1050 on factory Ford slots. Gonna add AC to it. That's definitely in the future. It had AC, dealer installed AC, and when I did the conversion, I did not put it back in. So that's going back in for sure. I've put a lot of miles on. I've probably put close to 100,000 on it since I've had it. Turnkey motor, jump in it and go anywhere.